technology just keeps getting smarter. As a result, even the most basic things we use to a day-to-day basis have become pretty advanced. It was just a few years ago that voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant were not common things to have in your home. And now apps and voice assistants can control everything in your home. Your mornings can be transformed by a clever machine that remembers just how you like your coffee. You can talk to your microwave and control your blender from your phone, and it's not weird. Okay, it's a little weird. My name is Maria, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the coolest smart home appliance that you can use in your kitchen. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe by hitting this red button. So let's get started. Technology measures our eating habits. An example is a HAPIfork. This is an electronic fork that connected to your device and also measure the speed of your eating process and alerts you with the lights and gentle vibration when you eat too fast. Every time you bring food from the plate to your mouth with your fork, this action is called fork serving. The HAPIfork also measures how long it took to eat your meal, the amount of fork servings taken per minute, and intervals between fork servings. This information is then uploaded via USB or Bluetooth on your online dashboard at hapi.com to track your progress. The HAPIforks also comes with the HAPIforks and Happy app, plus a coaching program to help improve your eating behavior. Technology can also monitor your food, but I would say that we're well aware about different applications and devices that can help us to track your food, to track your calories as well, but this case is pretty much unique. This miniature sensor that developed by researchers at the Tufts University School of Engineering. Mounted directly on the surface of your tooth, the mini sensor relies directly data on glucose, salt, and alcohol intake. This case is just an interesting example how else we can automate our purchase in digital without spending too much time on it. GeniCan Scanner, this is a pretty nice and interesting device that connected or attached to your trash can. And items that you would like to buy for the future because they are just simply finished, you may scan by using the barcode on the product, or just simply use a voice assistant or voice recognition that install also in this device and automatically update your shopping list. Also, you can automate your cooking by using special automated pan with a timer and special application. Recipes that need constant stirring, just pop it in the pan, set the timer, and that's it. If you're curious to know about the quality of your food in real time, I highly recommend you check the food sensor by Tellspec. This is a kind of food scanner that can provide you in real time additional information about your food. For example, like how many calories can this particular food dish cost in your diet, how many macronutrients it can provide you, as well as any kind of allergens if it's important for you. You also can customize it and ask to measure some specific indicators that are highly important for you, for example glycemic index. And how it works, this you just should put this scanner on the top of the surface of your food, and it will penetrate up to 20-15 millimeters below the food, and just after that this tool will make a measurement and you will see it directly on your smartphone. So it sounds like pretty convenient tool. Yeah. Now what? Foodmarble developed a device and called it Personalized Digestive Tracker that can test your breath to measure your hydrogen levels. Through a corresponding app, it can tell you what you should and shouldn't be eating based on how your body responds after consuming certain foods. When food is not digested fully, the bacteria in your gut break it down. With the continuous release of new smart home appliance, kitchen right now is not only a heart of the home, it's also a brain of the home. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.